Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Gemini inside Google Sheets. So, the first thing that you will do is, of course, open your Google Sheets and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. And now that you've logged in, you will go ahead and click extensions and then you will click add-ons and click get add-ons so that you will be able uh, to get Gemini for your sheet. So go ahead and search for it. And what you will do is basically you will just have to click install if you haven't already. And once installed, you will go back to your extensions and then you will look for it. And as you can see, we've already installed it. So what you will do basically is just open it, or you could actually select your data or type a prompt using custom instruction. So here are your options. So you could also, by the way, ask Gemini to summarize your data, to analyze data, generate formulas, clean text, create lists. And again, you could type your instructions inside custom instruction. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if this helped, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.